Registration are open for world biggest challenge organized by leading tech brand. I am talking about IBM Z Datathon 2026. In this video, I will going to explain each and every step. So watch the video till the end. Now, IBM Z Datathon 2026 is the world largest enterprise computing hackathon, which is organized by global tech brand IBM. Total prize pool are 50,000 US dollar plus. I am talking about dollar, not Indian rupees. Event dates are 17 and 18 October 2026 and registration deadline are 1st October 2026 means you have at most 40 to 45 days to register in this hackathon, and this is a global format. Now, a global 24-hour hybrid hackathon means you can take participate in this hackathon totally online and offline at the centers, and built intentionally for college students who want to build real scalable systems solution or enterprise grade IBM Z's architect. And if you are a student, you must take part in these global hackathons. If you have not yet participated in India's biggest skilling contest, Naukri Campus Young Turks 2026 present by HCL Techs and many more tech brands, in which total prize pool are 20 lakh, which are divided in between more than 250 students, and having many exciting goodies and prizes, and top 1 percentile win certificate of merit, and already 1 lakh plus students are registered, and many other skilling contest and many other goodies contest are running on this event, and in which total two rounds, first aptitude test and second skill contest, and you see all India rank 1 will 1 lakh and many more. I will share a direct link in the description of this video. You must register, and if you have any further queries, please comment below, and if you need a complete guide video, please check this video. Datathon themes are: first, real time AI for critical decisions; second, AI secured innovation without exposure; and last, wildcard beyond the obvious. Participation model I have already explained. First, 8 in-person hubs worldwide, and second, virtual participation across globe. So you can select accordingly. If you're new on my channel, please do subscribe the channel and like the video for similar certifications, hackathons, and top challenge from big brands. Now, why participate? First, credential that matter. You can earn exclusively IBM digital badges and industrial recognized certificate. You must add these on resume and social media platform, which can help to make your profile stronger. Second, there is a massive prize pool of more than 50,000 US dollar, which are distributed across online and local hub tracks. Third, you also get a chance to connect with IBM engineer technical expert through elite networking space. Fourth, enterprise computing exposure means you can get hands on experts with real enterprise mainframe technology through IBM Z systems. And at last, the best part is you can present your software ideas directly to industrial leader. And now, the main thing is that who can participate? First, college student worldwide, open to current undergraduate or graduate student cohort registered across any institution globally. Second, online global access. Complete integration paths open for developers participating remotely for any time zones globally. And last, 8 physical node hubs, on-site infrastructure hubs open across targeted global metropolitan region. And the best part is that registration are free for all. Now, Datathon journey are here. First, register. Second, attend IBM Z System Readiness on October 16, 2026. Third, participate in IBM Z Datathon on 17 and 18 October. Fourth, career panel and winner announcement on October 28, 2026. And at last, attend IBM Z Day on November 18. Now, whole timeline are here. You can read one by one from here. Now, from previous highlight, you can see here total registered students are more than 15,000. Active teams are more than 1,300. 44 countries are covered and 5 in-person venues. And you can see here global winner podiums. First prize live aspirants, second prize hackasource, third prize gradient ascent. You can see all the FAQs related to this. Now the main thing is that registration process, so I will explain you step by step, and this is the most important part. And if you had never participated in previous hackathons or any other hackathons yet, I personally advise, please take participate in this global level hackathon. In the description of this video, I will share a direct link. You can click and redirect on this page. First of all, you press register now button and redirect on next pop-up. And if you not have any account on Hack2Skills, please make an account with Google. After creating or signing with your account, you redirect on this registration page, adding your basic detail, and at bottom adding your LinkedIn profile and mode of participation like online and whatever way you select to participate in this hackathon. And how did you hear about, to add select one of this, and adding your family annual income. Is this you first IBM Z datathon? If yes, select yes according to you. If you answer no on the above question, which other IBM Z datathon did you participate in? Are you registered as team or individual? Select and basic detail. So simply adding your technical skills, and what are you most excited to learn, adding these. Have you joined the IBM Z Datathon Discord group? What is your Discord ID? If you join, adding your Discord ID. Shooting stars future events, and simply check all these checkbox one by one and simply press register now.